Happysaurus is one delighted dino. That dinosaur really does look happy, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Oh, Betty, the children are here. It's time for assembly. Hello, children, and welcome to our assembly. Everyone is really excited this week because this is a very special week. This is World Book Week. We thought one day wasn't enough to celebrate all the fantastic things that happen with books. And Betty and I this morning were just having a little read of this one, which is H is for Happysaurus. Betty really likes this book, don't you, Betty? Yes, Betty likes it. Now, Betty and I have been talking a lot for a long time over what we would be doing for World Book Week. And we've come up with lots of fantastic ideas as we were talking to all of the staff at Newlands. And if you picked up your work pack, you would have noticed there's a very special book in your pack that was selected just for you by Betty and your teachers. And in there, you also are going to have a very special poem. This poem was written specifically for our school by our very own Mr. Dudley. We really appreciate Mr. Dudley writing this poem. And if you haven't seen it before, let's have a read now.
A book for you. World Book Day is special. It's for each one of you. It celebrates books and reading, authors and illustrators too. Now Book Day is here. All you children need to know is that Newlands is with you wherever you go. These books were all bought by people who feel you deserve to love books. Let their worlds become real. All shiny and new, this book belongs to you, and wherever you go, you make Newlands our rainbow.
Wow, isn't that fantastic? A wonderful poem, a wonderful keepsake. Keep it safe along with your very special book that you received for World Book Day. Now, in addition to what we're doing with your books, there's lots of more to do. If you remember, on Friday, I told you about our very special new Newlands Primary School virtual library. Wow, have you checked it out yet? If you haven't, go and check it out. Loads of books. Books written by authors who are reading their own books. There are books being read by the school staff. And there are books being read with someone who's also doing British Sign Language to help everyone to be able to read them properly. What a fantastic idea. Make sure you check it out. I've put the link again down in the description of our video today. Now, in addition to that, we're going to do a little bit something different when it comes to our challenges this week. We're not going to do British Sign Language. However, you may choose to use British Sign Language in this challenge. The challenge this week is read it.
Of course, we want to start it by read it. Read all the wonderful books. Maybe take a picture or a video of you reading to your family. Maybe an older brother or sister or a younger brother or sister. Just enjoy reading and take pictures of you doing it and videos as well.
Make it.
So now you just need to make something. Make something that goes along with the favorite stories that you've been reading. You can use Legos, you can use papers, you can draw, you can color, you can create models. You can do whatever you would like to show us how much you enjoy the books that you read.
Celebrate it.
Celebrate it. Oh, wow. Show us how you're celebrating reading in your home. Are you making a little party? Are you decorating? Are you baking a cake? Make sure you take a picture to show us your celebrations. We want to be a part of it too.
When you do these challenges, make sure that you take a picture of it or you record yourself reading. Whatever it is that you've done to complete this challenge this week, take a picture, make a recording of it, and send it to me. Now, you can send it via your teacher on Tapestry or Teams, and make sure you put "Attention Mrs. Prince," so that your teachers know that they need to send it to me. And you can also send it to me via Twitter. Remember, Twitter is at the bottom as well, the Twitter address, so just so you remember. So if you do all these challenges, I'm going to have a judge who will pick out the best of the challenges that you've completed for some very special prizes. You may notice that I have a load of books stacked up behind me. These are still some books that we have from World Book Day that we gave to you. Still loads and loads for us to give away. So, send them in. Those challenges you completed, send them in. Betty and I are going to make sure they get to the judges. Judges are going to pick the very best. And I think there are going to be loads of prizes because we've got loads of books. Loads of prizes to be given away. And you get those on next Monday when you come back to school. Make sure, take a picture, take a video, send it to your teacher, send it to Teams, Twitter, Tapestry, whatever way you do it, make sure "Attention Miss Prince," get them to me, we'll get them off to be judged. How exciting is that? So lots to do. We want to really enjoy reading this week. Your teachers are going to be making and sending to you lots of activities for you to do as well for World Book Week. Take it on, enjoy it, find a new world while you're reading. Can't wait to see it all. Have a good week. Bye. Bye.